Hi Forex traders, hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today I came up with a new video, and in this video we will discuss a trading platform. In the last few videos we have discussed some of the Forex platform where we have discussed in details the different platform, their use, advantage, disadvantage and who should use them. Among this platform were MT4, MT5, WebTrader and cTrader. As you all know, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 is a very popular platform for Forex trading. So we also discussed with you the software version, web version and mobile app version, so that you can take all the benefit from one platform. And there is another platform called cTrader. We also uploaded video on that platform, but there we talked about the software version, that is how to trade on a laptop or a computer. And in today's video we will discuss how to trade with mobile on your cTrader platform. So those who are thinking of trading on this platform must watch the video till the end, and those who want to watch new videos on Forex broker or different platform or watch various videos on mobile trading, please follow this playlist. Here you will find all types of video related to broker house and mobile trading. And I will request the well-wisher of Forex BD, please subscribe Forex BD's another new channel. Here you will find all types of video. And those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go. So in the last video we traded there with a cTrader account from IC Markets broker and presented the details to you. So today we will log in to the same account with mobile. I hope you all know how to log in. I will submit the password that I had when I was creating an account on the cTrader platform here, and I will submit the email that I gave to my broker. So after giving email and password, my platform will open. After opening, the option you see here is the list of currencies. Here you will find all the currencies, and you can sort this list very nicely if you want. Clicking on the plus sign option here will bring up a new page. Here you have to save a name, like I will save the name as my list. After saving, you will click on plus sign again, then you will see a page. From there you can add more currencies in a new way. Here is a list of all Forex currencies, metal, cryptocurrencies, etc. You can add whatever you like from here. To add, you have to click on the star. It will show that currency in your chart. Again, by clicking on the pen option here, you can sort your currency serially. For this, we will click on the menu option and hold it. Since I traded more in USD based pair, I will place them at the top by swap up, and I trade less in cross pair, so I will place them at the bottom. Then in this option you will see your trading orders. That means you will be able to see the trades that you will open in market. And here is story. This means that the trade you have taken before will show you how many dollar you have lost or how many dollar you have made profit. So you have to come to this currency list to view the chart and click on the currency of your choice. That means the currency in which you want to analyze and trade. Then you will see the currency chart. So I click it on Euro USD here, and you can see the whole chart is showing in front of me. The first is the lot size option. By clicking here you can increase and decrease the lot size, and the two options that you can see next to this are the option to buy and sell. Below this is the chart that you can see. This is cTrader chart, and above you can see a option. This is currency chart, and by clicking on this option above you can change the currency. A good advantage here is that here you can learn about the direction of the market. For example, if you go down a little, you can know about the possible movement of the market here. As you can see in this pair, there is an analysis, and here is the direction to go uptrend. So this is a big advantage for everyone. You can also zoom in and zoom out as you wish. Now I will show you how to do your analysis here. If you come here, that means this chart option, and double click on the chart, it will show in full screen. Here you can analyze in a very beautiful way, because here you can easily zoom in and zoom out for yourself. Many times we have to zoom in or zoom out the chart because sometimes sometimes candle shadow can't see clearly. So here you can do zoom in or zoom out very easily. The first one here is the time frame option, and here you will find many time frame. More time frame than MT4 or MT5 is given here. Then there is chart, that is line chart, bar chart or candlestick chart. You can put chart in whatever you like. Then there are indicators. You can get all the free indicators here and you can easily add them. Click here, then click on the plus option. It will show some option. So from there you can search and find your specific indicator. I am going to set up an indicator search in this way, and once you click on it, it will be set up. Now you can analyze it from this. Then there is the option to order. Clicking here will show the option to buy and sell. So from here you will see the option to take trade. Next to it there is an option to change the lot size, through which you can change the lot size. And another big advantage here is that you can easily calculate pips. For this you will click on this option. After clicking a crossbar, it will be drawn on chart. Then you will put it one end. Then click on this triangle option. Then another crossbar will be drawn in your chart. Then put it on the other end. You will see below it pips is written. So this is our pips. And there is the option for copy trading. Copy trading means the exact trade that a trader will trade will be automatically opened in your account. And this is means copy trading. You will see the list of different traders. There are all traders, you can follow them. So we entered the first one. Here are all the details of the trader. That is his net profit, his maximum income or less in a trade, how many trade hit the SL or TP. Details are given here. Here you can see the story as many days as you want. And with enough balance, if you click on this option called start copying, the copy will start. Then with this option you will see different type of news and analysis which is important for forex trader. So today I showed you the very important option of the app through which you will get all the opportunity from cTrader app. So viewers, we have discussed about all the platform in our video: cTrader, WebTrader and MT4 or MT5. So by watching this video you can decide for yourself which is best. And last thing I want to say that no matter where you have an account, don't forget to use FOREX BD's link when you have an account at a broker house or payment gateway. This will allow you get quickly verification, your balance will be secure at all time, you will be able to participate in any type of contest, and there will be various bonus for you. So to get this benefit, immediately create an account under FOREX BD's link. This video is just for you so that you can make a good profit from Forex. So if you want to see this type of video, don't forget to like and comment on this video. And if we get 1000 likes and comment on this video, obviously we will share many more video about Forex strategy. So don't forget to like and comment.